This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for August 4th, 2022. It's currently July 17th, 2022, 11:19 p.m. So the overall theme and behavior here for the day of the 4th is an important resistance level that's highlighted, an important piece of news also that came out, looks like overnight or early in the morning here. We reached the top of, we're range bound at the top of a range. It looks like near the day's high, and our low will form when we have profit taking from an overbought, a near overbought peak or crest with the RSI. We also have a correlation towards the end of the day to the art card, which we have here on the 4th towards the end of the day. So, also advised to trade around a fast, sudden move higher. So we have a breakout in the pre-market. There's a breakout in the pre-market, and the beginning, in the midst of it looks like moving into the close. So a breakout followed by a decline moving into the open. Excuse me. Breakout in the pre-market followed by a decline moving into the open. At the open, we have the beginning of a rally, marked with a big move to the upside. We attempt to establish support in that first half hour. Really, it doesn't turn into support. It holds as resistance between roughly 10 and 11, and then the completion of that bullish trend really transpires between roughly 11 and 12. We see volatility that really starts to pick up steam from that 12 to 1 o'clock hour, and then we have a pop higher between roughly 1 and 2, and that's a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of a period of decline there. From that move higher, between that 1 to 2 o'clock hour, from that move higher there into the 2 to 3 o'clock hour, we have a decline to and through a support level, and then we come back and we reuse that support level as support, and then we have a high here towards the end, a higher prominent crest here towards the end of the day. But we also have a prominent low. It looks like a day's low here at the end of the day as well. It looks like a real strong retracement towards the close. So we go from a sideways rotation in that last hour to a sharp dip, marking the end of a rally. It's the halting of a rally marked by a sharp decline through an important support level. And it's also combined there with a failed attempt to break through an expected breakout of resistance, and then we turn around and we decline through important support. So look out in that last hour, because there's a deep low here. There's a lot of movement in the last hour near the close, and the low here, there's a steep decline here near the low. A good trade opportunity near the high. Yeah. So a lot of movement there. Tricky end of day. Be careful of that, guys. That's August 4th, 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button, guys. If you make money from this reading, do us a solid. Hit some of that back to us. Doesn't need to be much. If you can. If you can't, you can't. But we're looking for support from our viewers, so that we can continue to do this, and we can do it even more and more, get more predictions out there with a higher accuracy. And I found that I'm able to do that when I no longer have my own money in that trade, because it skews my mentality at times. You know what I mean? In any case, guys, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one.